Emmo Knight. If you just watched the video about the DX with saddlebags, apparently this does too. I like the idea of this. This is pretty teeny tiny. But if you had these and not the top, at least it kind of goes a little more with the bike. Like you don't notice it as much, but hey, you can't have function and style always at the same time. So these actually come off, which I think is pretty neat. So if you want to take it with you, you can take it with you. Oops, I didn't close that. I think that's pretty neat. So I'll show you how this works. You push this in and that's what lifts it off of there. And then this latches here. Can you come here closer? This comes off and that's how you open the top right here. Put that down, click that, locks it. So I did practice this one though before I videoed them the last one. Again, these should probably be around 400 bucks. We don't know what it's like to put them on yet. But when we do, of course, we'll do a video for that. But options are great. I know people have been asking for the saddlebags for the zones, which are those back in stock? Do you know the zone saddlebags? Is there stock of those?
Yeah.
Oh, they're back in stock. Yeah. Again, they're not quite this small, but they are about that narrow, and they're a little bit longer on the zone and the option for the tail box as well. So that's cool. Yay. Yay, Emmo. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.